Hi, today we're unboxing the latest Cardfight Vanguard English Divine's Booster 1 Fated Clash Sneak Preview Kit. Alright, so this will be our first sneak preview kit unboxing for the Cardfight English. And this is sponsored by Ronin Cards. You can check out their website in the comment section at the bottom. They do pre-orders and also singles. So if you're looking for any pre-orders for the upcoming BT02, do look for them. Alright, let's go for the unboxing. Right, so this is the what we call the pizza box. Right, so each set comes with 2 playmat, 47 packs of booster pack for drafting, and also 9 promo cards. Alright, so for the playmat this time around we have the Direful Door Masters from Dark States. Right, so 2 of them. This was supposed to be given out as the tournament winner prize and also a lucky draw. So 2 of them. 9 promo cards with Place Maiden. Right, this is a very strong support for both the Nirvana and also for the arm deck. Alright, so do check out. Next we have the over triggers, which is for the drafting, so that each player can have an over trigger in their deck. So this is a generic Obaria. Next we have the 47 packs. If I remember correctly, 8 of them was supposed to be for each player, and these are the prize packs, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So each player will get 5 packs for drafting and building your deck. Alright, let's go for the first bundle. So each bundle have 5 packs. So for the English Fated Clash, we actually have the Bank Dream set added inside. Unlike the Japanese one, which do not have any collab in this set. Alright, so we start off with the first extra, which is from the Morphonica deck, Mashiro. Rare pattern for this set. And we do have the generic clear elemental triggers. Another extra, which is the song cards from Morphonica. And our first double R, Gravidia support. This is a very strong support for the Gravidia deck, so Gravidia player do check out. Right, so we have the EX Voice. This is also for the Morphonica deck. So I believe until now we have been opening Morphonica, 3 of them. FR and the R appearing at the same time. Alright, so Sion. This is a generic support for any Dark State deck. Energy counter with the explanation for Fated Clash at the back, and also the second player for some of them. Trolle, this is a support for Welshra. Right, you do need 4 copies of them if you are playing Welshra deck. Next energy card. The second player card for Akina, Bank Dream Foil, and Sentinel. So we do have Sentinels and also over trigger printed here. So this is definitely a good set for new players to join in. And since we also have the generic over triggers, which are very very expensive right now, so BT01 definitely something that is worth buying. Right, so the new red line, Lascaria, Veleno, that plays along with Blitz Order. Which from my go, Sentinel for Dark States. Next, Jihad, Akina. For the booster version, if I'm not wrong, you should be able to get one of each energy counter. Right, so players can choose to either use the energy counter or use the counter that's given in the quick start deck. Right, FR, and also this is Morphonica. FR, so we actually have one FR, one foil, and two rare from pack. Last pack for the second bundle. Right, this is from my go. And we have the first SR, the new Rarity from BT01. So as you can see, the words are silver. Even the logo here. Right, so this is the one from the playmat, Diafudor Master. So two rares. The bundle. Right now we have like one energy per bundle. This is now. And also the my go cards. Double R. This is a generic use double R. Q triggers FR. So the highest rarity for this set will be the secret for the fated ones. And because we have the Bank Dream set collab with this, so we also have the sign cards for the Mygo and also Morphonica. Next we have Mikoto. Alright, since there's 47 pack, is slightly more than 2 boxes, almost 3, and it comes with a playmat. So we have our first over trigger from Dark States reprint. Gargoyles, and more of the main Diafudor support this set. Right, Mashiro. So this is the base form, and we have SR. This is support for the quick start deck. Mashiro, and cycle cards for Stoichia. FR, ISO. New support desire devil. OT for lyrical. Generic support for Vanguard. Right, this is a very strong common card for Dragon Empire that you should check out. It's a generic blitz order that can be used in almost any Dragon Empire deck. And it's actually extremely useful for decks that do not use any energy blast. Right, support for Magnolia. FFR. So we have the Sylvian Horn Beast FFR. Right. Another good support for Magnolia for both deck build. FR, this is area siege used for the fated ones. Generic support for the quick start deck. Cycle for Kito. Right, so as usual, the cycle cards are something that you can keep, since they'll be useful in the future. So the first fated ones, ever changing from Lyrica, which is very you can actually play as a Highlander. Right, so we have Valnot, one of the generic over trigger. Hopefully the price will go slightly lower after the reprint. FFR. This is a support for the quick start deck. Cycle for Brand Gate. Alright, let's take a look at the price packs. So there's 7 price packs. Support for Vanguard. Vanguard, one of the most popular fated ones from this booster. This deck actually have very high win rate in tournaments. Generic support. The cycle card for Dark States. Alright, so from the pizza box, we actually have the 1 FFR for high rarity, and actually lots of strong triple R and double R. Alright, so the rate is definitely higher than the usual booster box. Alright, so see you again.